We made it to the park. Ah, we got up the block. Yep. I made it. I got here. I don't know how I'm going to get back down the hill. We'll see. Oh, look at this. Look behind me. That's the wind. You see the snow. Oh, my. People are still going into the park sledding. That's wonderful. Dad is like, I wish there was school today and they had to be there. Okay. More people sledding. Oh, that's wonderful. Okay. Let's take some pictures of the park. Do not enter. Okay. I wonder if that meant me. No, huh? Okay. Here we go. Oh, there's the lion. And the other lion. The families. The trees. The block. Okay. Pictures. My mom wants pictures.